Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Question that's come up in the past, roughly 2 years, I think, since the Smart Visa program has been initiated, is how many of these are actually approved? And it's difficult to say. I don't have the records, and it's the best of my knowledge, they don't publish this information particularly openly. And it's also a fairly new program. So various applications that have been filed even some time ago for Smart Visa benefits may have yet to be adjudicated. So it remains to be seen exactly how many will be approved over time. But in a recent article from CalSod English, the article is titled "Smart Visa Holders May Have Side Hustles Cabinet," there was an interesting quotation which I will quote here directly. In the first 8 months it was available, 28 of 37 applicants managed to obtain the visa, according to the Board of Investment. So that's talking specifically about the Smart Visa. And just to reiterate that, that was 28 of 37. So looks like about 2/3 of the applicants were approved, and there was sort of another 1/3 that was not approved. That's interesting. And it goes to a point that I'd like to make in this video, which is Smart Visas are not necessarily going to be like sort of automatically approved. In fact, quite the contrary, I suspect that they're going to be adjudicated rather deeply. We've done videos on Smart Visas in the past where I went through this, that it's not the same process as dealing with, for example, the Labor Department with respect to a work permit, because there isn't a work permit associated with the Smart Visa, but work authorization is inherent to the visa itself. So there is an adjudication regarding the skill set of the Smart Visa holder, the investment being brought in associated with the Smart Visa application, etc. So in many ways, the scrutiny in a Smart Visa application is over and above, in a certain sense, the scrutiny that's associated with a business visa application or with a work permit application. So the thing to take away from this video is Smart Visas, I hate to use the word difficult, but depending on the circumstances of an individual or a corporation in question, it may be difficult to get the Smart Visa. And I think it's evidenced by the fact that not all these applications are being approved. I think it's also evidence of the fact that these applications are being heavily scrutinized before a final decision is rendered with respect to the issuance of a Smart Visa here in Thailand.